Oil prices extended their declines on Wednesday, dropping to two-week lows. The sell-off came after a Pakistani source said the U.S. and Iran were close to an initial peace deal. Brent crude futures fell just over $10, or over 9%, to $99.80 a barrel by mid-morning in European exchanging, in spite of the fact that afterward climbed back over the $100 mark. It was the first time Brent had fallen underneath the $100 mark. It was the first time Brent had fallen below 100 since April 22nd. U.S. West Texas Intermediate also lost around 6% of its value in early U.S. trade. Both benchmarks were on track for their biggest daily falls in absolute terms in a month. U.S. media outlet Axios reported that Washington expects Iranian responses on several key points in the next 48 hours regarding a reported peace agreement, citing sources who said this was the closest the parties had come to a deal since the war began. Iran had said earlier it would only accept a fair and comprehensive agreement. The U.S. military said on Monday it destroyed a number of Iranian small boats in efforts to help stranded ships exit the Strait of Hormuz. Crude oil prices have risen since February after supply was disrupted when marine traffic through the strait was halted following the start of the war. Brent traded at its highest in more than 4 years last week. The strait's closure has led to a drawdown in global oil and fuel inventories as refineries tried to offset production shortfalls. Market sources said U.S. crude oil inventories fell for a third week, while gasoline and distillate stocks also dropped. The sources added that crude stocks fell by 8.1 million barrels in the week ended May 1st.